with a 60 gram of product. Why 100 grams? Okay, it's a huge ass bottle. I cannot take it and travel with it. Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be a review for the Nykaa Clay It Cool Clay Mask, which is this beauty over here. Now this is the first time that I used this mask, and I thought, like, why not give you all guys a review of how this mask felt on my skin and everything related to it. So we will be discussing in detail about this product. So first of all, for packaging, I'm really disappointed with Nykaa. Secondly, what is this? Like, why is this so huge? Come on, I don't need 100 grams of product. You could have just, started with a 60 gram of product. Why 100 grams? Okay, it's a huge ass bottle. I cannot take it and travel with this. I don't know. Secondly, the price, it's 599 rupees, guys. This is only a clay mask. Okay, this is nothing new. Active ingredients are there depending on the shades, but definitely this is like your multani mitti, regular multani mitti. Okay, I don't know what they were thinking about the price. 599 rupees, it's 600. Let's be honest, it's 600. Okay, so 600 for 100 grams of product. Rather, I would have suggested them that they could have gone with 60 gram of product for rupees 250 or something like that. It would have been beneficial for them as well. Okay, and for anybody who's just trying out on the product, it's way better to have 60 gram of product, then utilize it and then get to know that whether you like it or not. 100 grams, I don't think so, man. Next, let's talk about the shades or the variants. Okay, I'm gonna call it shades, you can call it variant. Okay, so it's like they have launched around 7 variants. I just wanted to use this personally, that is why I wanted Ageless Beauty. I will give you an update over here that what all other shades are available on the Nykaa website. You can choose according to your skin type and according to the concern that you are. So this ass over here has green tea extract, kaolin and bentonite clay, gotu kola and ginkgo boba leaf. Okay, all of these ingredients are known for their anti-aging properties. So definitely this one is only for people who are fighting age and who want their skin to have that youthful glow like myself. I want that, definitely, and I think everybody wants that, right? Who doesn't want glow? Okay, so yeah, that is all. Now let's quickly go ahead and see how it applies on the skin and what I think, whether it is able to reduce any of my aging, my skin aging, etc. Okay guys, so you can see that I have removed my makeup and now my skin is bare. I have cleansed my face thoroughly and you can now see all the spots and acne marks as well as the active pimples, my little babies over here as well. Okay, so now let us get on with the application as well. Now let me just open it quickly and show you guys how it looks from the interior, how the packaging is. So after I open the cap of the jar, basically it has a lid as well, lid protector as well. This is basically to keep the bacteria out of the tub. As we have already discussed, the packaging is a bit of a downside for me. I do not feel good with these kind of packaging, but it's okay. Now once you open this, you can actually see the product. Also, there was no applicator that was provided with the packaging. That is a disappointment for me, because for me, I want something to apply my face mask, especially when it comes in this kind of a packaging, in a jar packaging. Like what exactly is the benefit of providing a lid applicator when anyways you are going to dip your fingers in it? Okay, so just food for the thought. The consistency of the product is fine as well. Like, it is not very watery, it is not very runny, and it is not very powdery as well. So yeah, definitely the texture and the consistency both are as a face mask should be. Now just for the demo purpose, on one side of my face, I will be applying the face mask really good with the help of a brush. I can see that and on the other part, I will be applying it with my fingers. So now we are ready for the application. Let's get on with finely mirror. I'm using the same brush that I ordered from my Shein haul. It was present in my facial kit. Link the video above in case you want to watch it. So once I apply the product, it actually has a very cooling sensation and it applies beautifully. Like there is no patches that are there when I am applying from the brush, and the consistency is basically very solid kind of a thing. It's not very watery or runny, so that is a good thing for a face mask. Also, I do not feel the need to add water in this. Now basically what I'm trying to say is that with time it might dry up and then you might want to add some water when you are applying the face mask, but right now it doesn't feel like you need to add water in it. It applies very smoothly on the skin. Now let me tell you, I can actually feel some kind of burning sensation over here, but that is the part where I always feel a burning sensation because the skin is pretty much sensitive over here. That is why probably I'm feeling that sensation. Part of my face, I will be using my finger. So I'm just dipping in my finger. I know that is pretty unhygienic, but that is how most of us use our face mask. So that is why I'm dipping in my fingers in the face mask and I'm applying it on my skin. Now once I apply it with the brush, basically the layer that I was applying was pretty thin by the brush and it was evenly applied, but with a finger I feel that I have the layer is actually a pretty thick. And basically I have to drag it with my finger to apply it evenly on my face. Yeah, I can definitely feel the effort in it. And I have to dip in again and again into the jar, okay, because this is a thick consistency. It is not applying like in one layer. I have to again and again dip into the jar to get the product out. So yeah, it is pretty unhygienic, guys. I do not recommend to use your fingers. Please use a brush. Some sort of burning sensation over my sensitive areas, like around my eyes and over here. But then probably because the active ingredients in this mask are actually doing their job, so that is probably why the sensation is there. I can say that from 1 to 10, like 10 being extremely sensitive, not able to bear, I would say it is somewhere around 5. So it's not something that you won't be able to bear. This is something like whenever you are applying a Upton mask or a Haldi mask, if I can compare it with, then you will find the same kind of sensation. So yeah, this basically means that the product is actually doing its work. Guys, so I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes for this to dry, but then again I also want to see how much it takes completely to dry off. So basically we are gonna be checking after 10 minutes and see how it has dried off. Okay guys, so it has been 11 minutes to be precise, and this hasn't dried up completely. Like I can feel the dryness over here, that it has dried over here, but as you can see over here it is not yet dried. So I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes. Okay guys, so it has been more than 15 minutes and I can see that it has not dried from over here, but it is completely, otherwise it is completely dried off. And anyways, I do not have patience to wait more, so I will be using my Face Hello to remove the mask. You can pretty much, you just go to your washroom and just rinse it off. Ooh, nice. Okay, first impressions. I can actually see the glow over here. Okay. Okay, I'm pretty excited with the results. Do you see this? Okay, is it me or this part seems more brightened up? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you see any difference? Like before and after kind of a thing? Do you see any difference? I can definitely see it. Guys, so I have removed the face mask completely off my face, and for first thoughts I definitely see some difference over here. Now I do not see any difference in my acne that was already there. It is still there. I do not see that it has reduced, but definitely I can see a glow from within kind of a thing going on, situation going on over here. I can see that my pores have reduced over here. Now I'm going to just quickly go about and do my makeup and come back for the final thoughts. Hey guys, so definitely you have already seen the rest of the video, that how it applies on the skin, and I just want to say that definitely I really loved and enjoyed this product. This definitely smoothens out my skin and reduced my pores, and afterwards my makeup was applied really beautifully. So yeah, definitely I'm gonna recommend this product to all you beauties over here. And yes, price is an issue. Like personally for me, I think 600 is too much for a clay mask, but you are getting 100 grams of product. If it was 60 gram and around rupees 250 or 300, I would have liked it better, but definitely you cannot miss this product, man. I'm still on the fence over here whether the price is appropriate or not, but definitely this works. Okay, in one application I have seen some major changes in my skin. So definitely if I apply this like every alternate day, probably this will result in even better skin. Alright, so definitely I don't think 600 is that much of a product if we compare this with international brands, but definitely in Indian brands 600 is a little pricey. The only mask that I really thought could compete with this one is the Plum Mask Whitening and Brightening. Actually that one is better than this mask. Okay, so if you want to try that out, then probably go ahead and try that one. To give you an idea of how much product is 100 grams, this is the Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask, and this is 60 gram. Apart from this, if we are talking about the tube packaging, this is also 60 gram. This is the Biotique Biofruit Whitening Depigmentation Tan Removal Face Pack. So I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, please do not forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Now I am going to upload a video every Tuesday and every Saturday, so if you have any recommendations for any kind of video, please let me know in the comment section below. What would you like to see on my page? Alright, and catch me on Instagram to see the makeup tutorial for this look over here. The Instagram handle is written over here. Do not miss it. Bye.